name is Novi Rhamayanti.
We are from 12 OTKP3.
SMK YAPEMRI.
We will show you how to make dragon fruit juice using a blender.
Enjoy to our video.
First, prepare all the tools and materials needed, namely 1 unit blender, dragon fruit, sugar, water, ice cubes, glass, and spoon. Second, after the blender is ready, plug the cable into electricity.
Third, put dragon fruit. Ice cubes. Water, and sugar into the blender. Fourth, close the lid of the blender and hold the lid by hand.
5. Turn on the blender. While until the juice is really light.
After smooth, turn off the blender.
7. Open the lid of the blender. After that, pour dragon fruit juice into a glass.
Finally, dragon fruit juice is ready to drink. Thank you for watching to our video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.